Let's see children, question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. There is no slack means it is a straight line. Okay, straight rope. That only there is no slack in the string. They are telling. So see that we will have a kite is flying at a height of 6 meters above the ground. Okay. Suppose this will be the position of the kite. From the ground level, it is 60 meters. Okay. Then the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. So C be a point on the ground. The string AC is acting as a string. It is tightly tied on the point on the ground. That is C. Okay, this is the string. AC is acting as the string. The inclination of the string with the ground is, so the angle, this angle is 60 degree, not 30, 60 degree. This is right angle, already we know. Okay. So this is the diagram for this question. What they ask you to find out the length of the string. The length of the string means they ask you to find out the value of AC. Okay. So right children, let AC be the length of string. AC be the length of string. AB is equal to 60 meter and angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. So see children, this is our theta value. Based on this theta, we have to find out the hypotenuse value. Okay. For finding the hypotenuse value, the opposite value is given. So which trigonometric ratios we must apply? Sin theta, isn't it? Then only sin theta is equal to op divided by height. So from that we will get the value of the hypotenuse. Okay. So apply that sin theta, that is sin 60 is equal to AB divided by AC, op by height. So sin 60, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to AB 60 divided by AC. Cross multiply children. AC root 3 is equal to 60 into 2, 120. So AC is equal to what? 120 divided by root 3. So what we have to do, if the denominator is a irrational number, what we have to do? Rationalize the denominator. So multiply root 3 by root 3. So we will get 120 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. That is equal to 40. 3 and 120 we can cancel. So 40 root 3 meter. That will be the length of the string. Okay. So root 3 value is, this you have to by heart it. Okay. 1.732 meter. Those who are aiming for 100 mark, you can do it. This 40 into 1.732 and multiply and write the final answer. Otherwise, you can keep as it is 40 root 3 meter. Okay. Sometimes those who are getting, same children are getting 100 marks and one is did with 40 into 1.732 and one is with this one, means for finding the best one they will consider those who substitute the value. Okay. So those who are aiming for 100 marks, please do that. 40 into 1.732, multiply and write the final answer. This is our root 3 value. 1.732, that is the root 3 value. Look at the sixth question children. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So this is the building. CD is acting as a building. The height of the building they are given as total height as 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his height to the top of the building increases 30 degree to 60 degree. So first, suppose this is the position of the boy. First, he is looking at the top of the building and it makes an angle 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Next, degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay. Suppose in this position, suppose A dash be this point. If he is observing the top of the building, the angle of elevation is raises to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay. So, the first position of the boy is AB be the boy. Okay. So, this I am considering as A dash, B dash. Okay. So, see that. So, first the boy is standing here and viewing a tall building, 30 meter height building. First, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. See, angle of elevation as well as angle of depression, in the question commonly we can say angle of inclination. Okay. So, angle of inclination if they are given in the question data means don't get tense. That is same as based on the question, if you are looking on the top of the building means angle of elevation will come. If you are looking down means what will come? Angle of depression will come. That sometimes commonly they will use the term as angle of inclination. Okay. So here angle of inclination it raises from 30 degree to 60 degree. These are the given data in the question. What they ask you to find out? Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay. So building inte aduthekku ee kutti etra dooram nadannu. That is the find the distance he walked towards the building. That only they ask you to find out. Okay, B dash. So, this I am considering as X. Okay, so what will be the total height of the building? 30 meter. What is the height of the boy? 1.5. So, ED that is 1.5. Okay. Because why? I am drawing a horizontal line here. A is a horizontal line. So, the same height, AB height only we will get a DE also. This is 1.5. So, totally this is 30. So, this part is 1.5. So, what will be CE? 30 minus 1.5. Isn't it? So, we will get 28.5. So, you mark that in the question diagram. Sorry, rough diagram. Draw the diagram and you have to mark the given parts. Then write, let AB is equal to 1.5 meter be the height of ball and CD be the buildings. CD equal to 30 meter. Be the height of building. Angle CAE equal to 30 degree and angle CA-E equal to 60 degree. These are the given data. So this is perpendicular, so this makes 90 degree. It is straight. Okay. So first what we have to consider means we have to consider this as first triangle. Which triangle we have to consider? Triangle CAE. So which trigonometric ratio we can apply? 30 degree. From this we will get the value of AE. AE is same as BD. Okay. So for getting the value of AE, we can consider this trigonometric ratio, that is triangle CAE, right? From triangle CAE. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. So OP by edge, which theta value you have to apply? Tan, isn't it? So tan 30 is equal to CE divided by AE. Tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to CE 28.5 divided by AE. AE measure we don't know, so you write as it is. Okay, so cross multiply. AE equal to 1 into AE 28.5 root 3. So AE, the total distance is 28.5 root 3. Next again we have to consider triangle CA-E. CA-D also A-E we can get. So see children, AE minus A-E, we will get the distance A-, isn't it? So A- only the distance he moves towards the building, that only they ask you to find out. For that, consider these two triangles and find the distance AE as well as A-E. So the difference between these two, we will get the distance A-. So see that, again consider triangle CA-E. So CA-E, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to CE divided by A-E. Tan 60, what is the value? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to CE, already we know that, 28.5 divided by A-E. So A-E equal to A-E root 3 is 28.5. So A-E equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay. So see that one is 28.5 root 3, other is 28.5 divided by root 3. Equation number 2. So what they ask you to find out the distance A-. Okay. Therefore, A-A' is equal to A-A' is equal to A-A' is the distance we have to find out, that is AE minus A-E. So 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. What is the common factor here? 28.5. So you have to take outside 28.5 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Divided by 1 by root 3. So this is equal to, take this value as 28.5 into root 3 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, isn't it? Because root 3 is the LCM. 3 minus 1, 2. So we will get 28.5 into 2 divided by root 3. So rationalizing the denominator means what will come? Again multiply and divide by root 3 divided by root 3. So we will get this as 28.5 into 2. 57. Okay. So 57 root 3 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3 balance to 27, 9. So we will get 19 root 3 meter. That is the distance traveled from A to A dash. Okay, that is the distance he walked towards the building. Conclusion is 19 root 3 meter. Therefore, the distance he traveled towards the building is equal to 19 root 3 meter. That will be the final